Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about an e-commerce stock that was red hot, has gone ice cold, but has an opportunity to get red hot again. The name, Wayfair, ticker W. Now, Wayfair is, for all intents and purposes, the Amazon of home retail. They operate the largest e-commerce platform for buying furniture, home decor, things like that online. Throughout 2020, throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, Wayfair stock has been absolutely on fire because physical stores have been closed, so consumers have been forced to buy things on Wayfair.com, been forced to buy furniture on Wayfair.com. But there's been a recent string of news: Pfizer COVID vaccine, 90% effective; Moderna COVID vaccine, over 90% effective; AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine showing to be capable of being around 92% effective. It looks like the COVID-19 pandemic, the crisis is going to end in 2021. The physical economy is going to reopen, physical furniture stores are going to reopen, and therefore, consumers aren't going to be as reliant on Wayfair.com. On this reality, on this news, Wayfair stock has come under pressure. But this pressure, this near-term weakness, is actually a long-term opportunity. Here's why. So these fears that COVID-19 going away is going to kill the online retail boom, those fears are just grossly overstated and unnecessarily short-sighted. Because in reality, we aren't pivoting to online retail because of COVID-19. No, COVID-19 was just an impetus for an acceleration of a trend that was already in place. We're pivoting to online retail because it's far more convenient. And as soon as the online retail in a certain category, in a certain retail category, can rival the physical experience, the physical shopping experience, then boom, we're going online. Right, look at consumer electronics, look at apparel. We don't need to be in store for that because the online experience is good enough. And because the online experience offers superior convenience, you're seeing more than 30% of sales in consumer electronics and apparel happen online. Now, before COVID, we always thought that you needed to go and see and touch and feel furniture to buy it. You needed to go physically do it. So before COVID-19, only 13% of home retail sales happened online. But COVID-19, it basically proved that these preconceived notions of the shortcomings of online home retail have actually been made antiquated by significant technological advancements. For example, augmented reality. Augmented reality is a central component of online home retail, especially on Wayfair, where consumers can try on a furniture piece in their room. They can visualize it with their phone. You click see in room, and all of a sudden it pops up in your room. You can see how it looks, you can see how it fits, you can see all of those things. You can sort through a robust repository of reviews that will tell you how the product feels, how it wears, how it stains. So basically, technology has eliminated the shortcomings of online home retail to the point where the shopping experience online is now on par with the shopping experience in store. Now, because online offers superior convenience, this shift is permanent and accelerating. Right now, 13% e-commerce penetration in home retail. By 2025, by 2030, that number is gonna be 30%, 40%, or higher. So don't sell Wayfair stock because you're gonna get a little slowdown here in early 2021. Buy it for the massive growth potential into 2025, 2030. Equally important to the Wayfair bull thesis as this macro online home retail shift is the fact that Wayfair is the Amazon of this space. And that all comes down to one thing: marketplace effects. So Wayfair has leveraged first mover's advantage to gain leadership position, early leadership position in the online home retail market. They are the biggest marketplace for buying and selling furniture pieces online. They have the most buyers and the most sellers. That's super important because as a place with the most buyers, they're going to be the most attractive platform for new sellers. If I'm trying to sell a piece of furniture, I'm gonna go to where all the buyers are because I can get a better price for my stuff. So they're gonna attract more sellers. Now, the more sellers they attract, the more buyers they're going to attract, right? If you're looking to buy furniture, you're gonna go to the place with the most sellers because there's gonna be the most product optionality and selection. So, more buyers, more sellers, more sellers, more buyers, more buyers, more sellers, so on and so forth, lather, rinse, repeat. It's a positive growth flywheel called marketplace effects. It's what Amazon leveraged to become a dominant, irreplaceable behemoth in e-commerce. It is what Wayfair will leverage to become a dominant, irreplaceable behemoth in online home retail. In numbers, if you do assume that the online home retail market starts to look like the online accessories market, the online apparel market, and get to that 30% plus penetration by 2025, 2030. If you also assume that Wayfair does indeed maintain its leadership position, the Amazon of the space, for 20%, 30% plus market share, and that economies of scale kick in to sustain, which has been proven this year, that with scale, Wayfair can be a very profitable company. If you make those three pretty basic assumptions, then my modeling says that Wayfair stock is worth more than $300 today. So with the stock price being choppy here in late 2020, dropping below 300, more towards the 250 range and lower, that's a good buying opportunity. This is a great entry point into a long-term winner. Take advantage of it. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Place Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Twitter, or if you'd like to read, come over and visit us at investorplace.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.